It's been over 6 months since I was gifted the Our Place Wonder Oven, and I love this oven so much. I had no idea how much I would use it with my family of 4, as 4 people usually requires more than a mini oven can provide. At least I thought, but I find myself using this multiple times every week. From simple things like cooking up some frozen hash browns or toasting a bagel or just some toast, to actually cooking full meals in this. I've cooked salmon in it, I've cooked whole sheet pan dinners in it, especially when I've forgotten to preheat the oven and don't have 20 minutes to wait to preheat, because this basically preheats instantly. It really comes to temp within a couple minutes tops, so I feel fine just putting food in it. So it's become just an absolute necessity in my home, and I know you're going to love it. But in this video, I just want to give you a quick rundown of exactly what you get here. Now, to start off with, it has a steam option right on the top here that you just twist open and you can add water to steam food. I'm gonna admit right now that past doing it when I initially tested it, this isn't something I use very often, but I can see where it would be very useful, especially in reheating food that you just want to add a little moisture to, or something that would dry out while cooking. So you want to add a little moisture during the cooking. That works beautifully. And then it comes with a few different trays. You get your air fryer tray, your basic non-stick pan, and then down in the bottom I've actually slid the final tray, and this is for toasting, just your kind of basic tray there. And then there's one more that's not really a tray, it's just, well, it is a tray, but it's for crumbs, and it's this one right here. And as you can see, I did not clean anything for this, so you're seeing how dirty it is. You can toss all of these in the dishwasher, but this is really your catch tray. And I'm embarrassed to say that when I first got this in my first video, I actually put this in the wrong spot, because I do have a family member that has one of these, and they had put the catch tray above the heating element. And so I thought that's where it was supposed to go. And the comments made it clear that I had mistakenly put it in the wrong spot. And it fits so beautifully once you put it in the right spot. So as you can see, you really can shove all the trays into it in whatever way is most convenient for you. And another thing I really love about this is that it is basically an insulated box. So we also use this when we get rotisserie chickens from the store, and it's not yet dinner time and we want the chicken to stay hot. We'll just stick it in here and it'll keep it warmer. So really, really convenient in so many ways. And then how it works is so simple. It has 3 knobs that give you so much control. The first knob lets you go from 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The second knob gives you all of your cooking options. You have air fry, bake, broil, reheat, roast, and toast. I'm gonna tell you right now that 95% of the time I have it in air fry mode. That's just the mode I prefer. But I have cooked in bake, and I've definitely cooked in toast as well. I haven't had an opportunity to use the other ones yet, but it's really nice that it provides all of those options. And then finally, this is basically your on-off timer button. You do want to get it past 10 minutes to start, and then it'll immediately start heating up. And then you can choose where you want it to be. So maybe you only want to run for 3 minutes, or maybe you want to run for 40 minutes. And it's gonna heat up super fast, 2 minutes, and I think it's pretty much the temp most of the time. And then it will cook whatever you want. And when it's finished, it'll ding, a manual ding, and turn off automatically. So it's almost like the adult version of an easy bake oven, which I love. Now, I do want to point out that when I first got this, it had kind of a new smell when I cooked with it. That's gone now. It really just smells like whatever I'm cooking. It is a little bit louder. I'll let you listen to it for a moment. Than your standard oven, but it doesn't really need a lot of time to preheat, and it's going to turn itself off immediately when it's done, so you only hear it when it's cooking. And for the most part, it's not really that noticeable. It just becomes a part of the household sounds. I really can't get over how useful this is. I imagine that if you are 1 or 2 people, it'll become even more useful, but maybe not. The amount of times that I make quick meals in this for my kids when they come home from school is a lot of the time. It is one wonderful device. It is exceptionally functional, powerful, gives you so many options, and it looks really, really good too. Do not underestimate the power of the Our-Place Wonder Oven. I recognize this is an investment, but if you are thinking about this, I know you're gonna love it.